Are you looking to use an outliner for the first time? In today's video, we set out to find the best outliner software for 2022 that will help you plan, organize, and get things done, one indent at a time. Hi, welcome to another video from Taskade, the channel where we help you become more productive and get things done. Managing big chunks of work and getting things done may be hard. The problem is that the more you have to do, the harder it becomes to get all the work done in time. If you're unfamiliar with outlining, it's basically breaking down your project into smaller sections so you know exactly what needs to be done next. It helps you stay focused and organized so you'll finish projects as soon as possible. Let's start with the basics. What is an outliner? An outliner is a tool used to organize text into different categories. It helps you to focus on specific topics and makes writing easier because you don't have to worry about where to start next. When you write, you may find yourself getting distracted by irrelevant information. An outliner lets you group related ideas together, making it easy to find what you're looking for. So, how using an outliner can improve your productivity? It helps you organize ideas into different categories, which makes it easier for you to find what you need when you need it. Outliners are specifically useful when it comes to brainstorming new ideas, planning projects, writing papers, or preparing presentations. Also, they allow you to capture your thoughts and organize them into logical categories quickly. The most common type of outliner is called a mind map. I've already done some videos about mind mapping. You should check them out. What are some pros of using an outliner? You can organize all of your ideas in one place. It makes finding what you need when you need it easier. You can also easily add new ideas later. Outlining helps you stay organized, and you can create a visual representation of your own outline. So, let's now talk about the outliner apps. There are several different types of outlining apps available for you. The best one depends on what kind of work you need to do. What do you say we take a look at 10 awesome outliners? In the first position, we have Taskade. Taskade is a collaborative outliner application designed for knowledge people who require an easy-to-use tool to manage projects and tasks. Using Taskade, you can collaborate with your team members and easily organize ideas into meaningful outlines. You can also break down large projects into smaller ones so you can get them done faster. I love how easy it is to add new items, edit existing ones, and check off completed tasks. The best part? Taskade is the only cloud outliner app that syncs everything in real time, and its free version has all you need to get started. In second position, we have Workflowy. Workflowy is an online task manager that allows users to create tasks and organize them into workflows. Users can also add notes, attach files, and share information through social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter. Workflowy is a great tool for those who are constantly working on multiple projects. In third place, Scrivener. Scrivener is a writing and outlining tool designed for students, academics, and writers. It's a complete writing suite with everything you need to research, outline, and draft documents. Scrivener works on macOS, Windows, and iOS. Scrivener is not really a cloud outliner per se, but you can sync your outlines to Google Drive and Dropbox to sync between multiple devices. In fourth position, we have OmniOutliner. It's a dedicated outlining tool from the creators of OmniFocus. OmniOutliner is a simple cloud outliner app for brainstorming, organizing information, and creating high-level hierarchical lists. The app offers automation via JavaScript. Moving to our fifth position, we found Dynalist, another piece of distraction-free outlining software for personal and business use. Previously called OmniFlow, Dynalist evolved into a lightweight outliner and note-taking app for logical thinkers. It's a solid choice for focused work sessions. Dynalist is a reliable outliner app that has the potential to be a powerful tool. However, recently the team has focused on developing its flagship product, Obsidian. We'll see what happens. Number 6, we have Checkvist. Checkvist offers a fair balance between a task manager, to-do list, writing app, and most importantly, an outliner. Built around hierarchical data organization, Checkvist is a match for all kinds of creative projects. 7th position is for Workflowy Research. Workflowy Research is a note-taking tool designed for heavy-duty research, brainstorming, and knowledge management. Like other outliners on our list, Workflowy packs a simple, distraction-free UIs that's perfect for metacognition or thinking about thinking. Number 8. Obsidian. A note-taking, brainstorming, and outlining platform designed to act as a knowledge-based or a digital second brain. Obsidian can be used with local folders or external sync. The app's based on planned task markdown files. Position number 9, we have Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for personal and team projects. The platform offers a highly customizable workflow fit for engineering, creative, HR, and sales projects of all shapes and sizes. Choice for productivity gigs. Notion has a free plan. On 10th position, and the last one on this list, is Athens Research. An open-source sibling of Workflowy, Athens Research is an open-source note-taking, knowledge management, and outlining app. Athens is a solid choice for advanced users looking for an independent, self-hosted outlining solution. So have a free plan. Recap: outlining is a simple and elegant way to manage the complexities of everyday life. With an outline app like Taskade, you should be able to map out ideas as you would on paper, create outlines with a great level of detail, keep everything secure in the cloud, use shortcuts and drag and drop magic, revert changes to your outlines in a blink, customize everything the way you like it, collaborate with others and get things done. Sign up for a free Taskade account today or test things out on our live demo page linked in the description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and share. Taskade, simplify your productivity.